Good morning. How's everyone? Good morning. Good morning. Well, it's finally Thursday. Could be the best day of the week. We shall see. You ready, huh, Spartan? Welcome in. Good morning, Bill. Beck, I'm not for sure. You can turn off overlapping for sure. I know that. I don't know if you can actually just turn them off completely. I can make that option easily, though. It's no big deal to add that if you can't. I just have not attempted, and I don't remember adding one in the past. So, welcome. Go ahead and start sharing the live. Hopefully, we have another winning day. I appreciate everyone that used code Grizzly yesterday for Take Profit. We have some free accounts to give away now, thanks to you all. Uh, but by all means, continue to use it. Let me share this live. If you have any questions, please drop them in chat. Is there any deals on Grizzology? You can use code NQ for 50% off the first month if you all want to try it, okay? Oh, I gotta share. I got sidetracked there reading the chat. Good morning, MJS. Sosa, welcome in, everyone, if I missed you. Wow, they now have direct messaging on YouTube. I just seen the notification. Is that not wild? Yep, we that one day the bull trap got us. Yesterday it did not. We knew, we set out the orb, and we got paid. Even though the orb would have made money, it was not the move of the day for sure. We caught the how many points did we end up catching total yesterday on that trade? It was solid. Good morning, Hummer. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, TC Trades. How you doing? Welcome in, everyone. Who likes Tradeify growth accounts? No, sorry. Let me rephrase that. Who likes Tradeify select accounts? Select. The select Tradeify accounts. Um, okay. Remind me a few minutes before market open. I might do a quick giveaway for with a select account for you all. But I have the 150K take profit accounts. So the giveaway for them will probably be towards the end of the stream. You about need 150K to trade in Q, don't you? PC with all this with these massive candles. I think I may need 150K my personal to trade at this point. Good morning, Emma. Welcome in. Another busy day for you. I had a crazy idea this morning in the sauna. How to add value to Grizzology community, and it's nothing to do with the actual indicator itself. It's going to be something else. So I'm not going to say much because a lot of people copy everything I do. So I like to keep it low key until it's just too late, you know. But I think you all will love it. To show my appreciation to you all. What's up, Tyson? How are you? Good morning, Jersey. You know, Grizzology was just an idea I had once. And you see what it turned into. I've had so many things I've tried failed though, but the things that that stick usually do pretty well. Well, well. What's everyone sipping on this morning? I'm having coffee again this morning. I hit a push day at the gym. You know what's crazy? When I was cleaning up my office the other day, found an old dad jokes book that my daughter got me a long time ago. I looking through it. It is literally the worst joke though. Good morning. Yeah, Dexter, I've tried that. Yeah, build some Folgers. You know how I like it. Tell you a joke out of the book. Let me see what I did with it. All right, let's see here. These are literally horrible. Kind of embarrassing to say. Let's see what. Yeah. Does anyone know how to charge milk? Because mine is stuck at 1%. So dumb, right? I don't even feel like some of these are dad jokes or dad statements or something. Good morning. This fair value gap did okay so far on Grizzly. It looks like it's fair flagging now, but I expect some kind of crazy move off the open. Jersey has a dad joke for us. What do you call caged vegetables? Good morning. Yeah, it was, Jay. I agree. All right, everyone. I will pick one person for a free Tradify Select account right now. If put a little effort into this as well. Share it live, post it on your IG, share it on Twitter, X, whatever you want to call it, wherever you want. I'm gonna pick one person in like 2 minutes. So you think SpaceX IPO might be a trap? Every IPO runs the chance of being a trap. You know, there's risk with buying IPOs, but this is one I will not set out if I get my shares. Zoo down? Yeah. Yeah, milkshake. You have to do share the live, and I'll pick one winner for the Tradify Select. I'm gonna pick in like 10 seconds. So share if you're going to. Who shared the live? Who do I want to pick? Fine. I will do two. I'm gonna pick Cal Capone F8Z. Cal Capone F8Z. And Ashley Marie. You can have one. You all have to DM me on IG. It's for a select account through Credify. All I have to do is send you the code, but it's for one use only and for your eyes only. I'm supposed to say that. So maybe another time, King. I'll literally give you all of my free accounts. Every single one. Well, I give Grizzology. I need to do another giveaway in Grizzology. I don't think I've done one this week. I did one week last week and the week before. Good morning, Lance. I didn't see it actually. You got 3 payouts just by hanging out in the live? Nice. Good morning, other Ashley. We have multiple Ashleys, multiple Nicks. I think I only caught one trade yesterday, right? Yeah, I think that was it. All right, share the live, everyone. It's time. What's going on? All right, let's do this, Team Bull. Good luck today.
Yep, let's get it, everybody. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and a reminder: every single day going in, we're going to choose discipline over dopamine. Choose.
Well, my short idea was valid. I was gonna take a short here pre-market, everyone, but two things stopped me. It was getting close to market open, and we had point of control right there below. But as far as this fair value gap, it hit. Yeah. I'm not for sure if we. Good morning, me. I'm not for sure if we have any news today. Can you all check? Do me a favor. Juliana, I think you have 2 different accounts on what? I messaged you yesterday. But I've got 2 messages from 2 different Julianas. So the amount of names I've had to learn how to pronounce since starting these lives. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. TikTok is. Wait, is there some restriction on TikTok? I'm going to restart the TikTok real fast. Everyone come right back, okay, before we catch a trade. It's always something with TikTok, man. Am I Irish? I'm not. I am from Tennessee, and I have my great grandmother was Cherokee, whatever that makes me. There we go. What's up, man?
The shorts cooked earlier.
Yeah. Could be a solid day. The pre-market range is not too bad. I'd like to get to nice short entry. Just play it down to Asia low. That would be ideal. I think if the market's going to climb back up, it'll probably start it tomorrow or Monday. My guess.
I'm down for that. I'm 100% down for that. Give us a nice trend down day today.
Yes, please.
I dream about you all the time. We're singing to the mistrade. Any mistrade? We're singing to the mistrade of Tuesday. Without you, baby. I didn't think about you past market close.
A Native American. Is that what I am?
Do I have a trading strategy? Is a bear S in the woods?
It does.
Grizzly can confirm. Does.
The hog's butt pork.
It's a hog's butt pork. Where's Gene?
Good morning, everyone. If I missed you coming into the Zoom.
What do you say, Grizzly Glock?
I just telling everyone good morning in Team Bull if I missed them earlier.
Was good, was good, was good. Wide market get clapped immediately. It's been some pretty aggressive moves off the open almost every single day. Did I ever be, and I don't want to enter trade right now. I'm a professional dog trainer in Colorado. That's awesome.
Any questions for me? TikTok, share it live. I don't know what is going on with TikTok. It's got some kind of restriction. And it is not pushing it out there. So, I need your help. Run up the lives would probably help. It's crazy to me. After big winning trades, the next day the least amount of people is here. But when you're losing or whatever, it seems like everyone in the world, when it's a tough market, everyone in the world is in the live. You know? I do not. When we get on the hot streaks, that's the real time to lock in. I mean, you always should be locked in, but when we get to winning, like we was last few weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, this week's been a little tough. Price action has not been it, but yesterday was solid. It's all good. I feel like this Asia high could possibly reject again. Does anyone have any questions while we're waiting? Also, let me know if you can hear me, see my chat. Or see my screen, rather, not chat. I'm watch for reject to Asia high. It's just not quite getting up there, huh? Close. Now we may actually get a nice trend entry. We'll see. We have to get below point of control and close before we can look for shorts anywhere in this area. I was okay with the Asia high reject, but I don't want to take shorts anywhere right here until we get a strong close below VWAP and point of control. We could look for the retest back up to that. Excuse me. Glad you called it, Danny. Happened too fast to call out, didn't it? That's the worst type. I mean, it's a good trade, but I hate when they move too quick and you get in. It's like you're trying to give everyone the trade and it just rips instantly in the direction you want it to go. I'm not for sure. There's so many different routes. Is Nick not here this morning? I don't see him. It's key levels, Adam, and volume for me. That's what I look for. Nice. I was wondering where he was, man. I didn't. Oh, I didn't see it. I guess missed the. Good morning. Oh, you switched sides on me. I see. Interesting cross section here. It does not want to lose that point of control yet. When I say lose, I'm talking about close below, you know. Oh, you appreciate you for watching it. I dropped a short reel about yesterday's trade on IG and TikTok. I think it's on YouTube as well in the short videos. Thanks, champ. How's everyone doing this morning? No one's gonna ask me questions. How we doing? Hope you all had a good week. I know the market's been tough, but hopefully that's not affected your overall week. Blessed, doing amazing. I'm doing great. Super strong at the gym this morning. That's why I hate days when I go in feel like I'm not making progress, struggling with the same weight I was hitting nice reps for with. What's up, Nita? Oh, had quite a bit of delta, Denny. Nice there. That's quick with that delta, thanks. Even though the move happened quick. I wish I'd have seen that just a second sooner. That's saying about like a data related candle or a news candle, like the algos were picking up on it, the way it moved there. That's cool. Oh man, admiring your strength. Well, that previous candle, Danny let us know the delta on it had very strong positive delta. And as soon as that other candle opened, it just made the move. I mean, just no delay, right? I feel like it's time I make a YouTube video on how I use delta. That is a very common question. Maybe today, Medman. Maybe today. What a candle. Hopefully, you had your stop set. I'm sure you did, Danny. But if you haven't looked at the chart, Danny, you might want to check it. If you didn't, I could. Whenever we was talking about the way we was behaving around this point of control, like we flushed it, but we never closed below. That's what can happen around point of control, just like we see here. That's why it's important to wait on the close below, or take shorts up around Asia high was solid. What is it, King? Only hear about Greeks and options. Yeah, the Greeks. Isaac, I missed your trade. Oh, you took some calls? Nice. I'm gonna watch this 29,000 area for a reject. If we get up there, maybe even this pre-market high, unless we get a longs confirmation. But as right now, we don't have it because this candle is just going to be massive, and there's no way I could take a trade based off that. That is right. I got the orb turned off, huh? I did that for the recording that video I made yesterday. It kept getting in my way when I was trying to show stuff. Where's it at? Here we go. this candle picks it up in volume, it's going to make a new point of control. It's got 40 seconds to do it. It's going to be close. I'm not sure it can, though. Not for sure if it can make a new point of control. This orb does look good, though. But orbs have not been it this week. What do we do here? Distinctive point of control is your volume-based support or resistance. That's the best way to consider it. Just treat it. You don't want to be going short right above it. You don't want to be going long right below it. And price tends to pull to it in some cases. Do we dare try the orb today? That long wick, it's just not it. That was very close to making a new point of control. 818, it didn't even pull back enough for us to take the orb. I trade mainly off the 5 minute actually. 99% of the time. No, I mean I glance at other time frames occasionally, but I don't like watching too many things at once, honestly. Allows me I overthink, make mistakes. I don't know. I've got everything turned off. I don't know why the pop-ups keep coming on my computer. Like I cannot make them stop. And everything turned off. The control's dominant.
What do you say, bro?
I said point of control's dominant.
Oh yeah, she gone. I think this orb is gonna I think this orb is going to be out of reach too.
Yeah. It pulled back a little bit. It looked half well, I wasn't crazy about the confirmation candle with the long wick. But it had the volume for sure. I was watching 29,000 reject. I want to see what we do up there. See if we can't catch a nice short. I'd be down for a long entry if we get the actual trend entry and not the orb. Wait on the lower time frame trend to form here, though. Why pump? Maybe I was wrong. Maybe today's the day we pump and not tomorrow or Monday. We'll see. High volume candles are hard to short.
All right. Well, what do we do with this?
That's what I'm saying. Massive candle.
This is starting to play into my scenario that I like the longs to the upside. There's just no way I'm buying this breakout. No way.
The only bouncer I really see still the 800. Around the 800, 28, 800. Jennifer, it is nearly impossible with a
So we'll see how we
stop
react
loss
to
of 10 points for this
29,000.
market. I agree. We are actually considering adjusting our stop losses on here because of the massive candles. Have to lower position size.
Did we have news, or was that just he's the Nasdaq heat band?
Seems like that one candle could have been a news candle.
This is aggressive.
Yeah. You can about tell by the way the candle moves. It is, the algo's picking up on some tweet or something. Diplomatic talks.
Yep, I can see that.
They're like, okay, let's load up puts. Then we're going to say we're about to fight.
Where's my coffee at? Gene's slacking this morning. Still not here.
He may be getting mentally prepped for that party this weekend. It's this weekend, you said, right? The dinner, whatever.
What do you say?
I said he's getting mentally prepped for your big party this weekend or dinner, whatever it is.
Oh yeah, it's all sold out too.
I'm just gonna start doing that and cook for people. No party, just okay. Buy a ticket, come eat. What is it? Y'all don't think my cooking's that good, huh?
Damn, look at this. See if we can get it. Let's see if we can. I would say we could look for a 2-bar here. I don't think that a pullback into this candle looks horrible for longs, but just like yesterday, it's a little sketchy buying that upside when you have lowering volume.
That reject was it,
Gonna go.
29,000. Thought I had Team Bull muted. I was not trying to talk over him, but I did not. Let's see. It's going to bounce this 50% retracement and continue on, or it's going to push down to Asia high area.
No. So if we had higher volume on this candle, this is what I'd be looking for to potentially long to the upside. If we find a higher low, it's more than likely going to be right here in this area. And even if we did have higher volume,
I think I'm going to sell the Cobra, Crazy Brady. Let me sell it to my little cousin. I just want it out of my garage. I'm just going to be honest with you. It's in my garage, taking up space. I don't drive it often. I have the toys I don't need. I'm just trying to make space so I can finish the garage gym because I had to go that route. The building outside route was going to take up too much space, and running electric to it I was gonna be crazy hassle. So I don't know how long I've had it, honestly. You know, my little cousin wants it though. I just let him finance it, or I'll finance it. I don't care. You know that property I bought? I'm talking to a real estate agent, and it's literally worth. I could sell it for double what I paid. And it's not even been a year yet. The bigger property, the almost 9 acres. Nick, do you run your real estate through a LLC? I know you said before, but I forgot your what you said. Your reply. Where'd you try longs at, Danny? It's at 9:55. Well, 9:65 now. Oh, your text must be horribly delayed. I need to see what's going on. I want to catch a trade with you, Danny. If I can figure out how to make your text come through quicker for me. Is it hotel Wi-Fi? I thought you was at home. Are you traveling again? I can't keep up with you. I'm horrible keeping up with anybody. I never try to keep up. Besides, I like to catch up with my inner circle. Now, we finally have a base here, or whatever you want to call it. I guess that would be one term, but we can close this strong. We can look for a retest. We'll have to keep our stops here. 876. That would technically, that would be saying, we're not going to make another lower high or higher low. No, I'm here. I'm just watching. Jeez. 936. I'll look for 936 entry. I don't. Still like the Asia high much better than this pre-market high area. Still 900-point stop if we tried it. I mean, how can you deal with that? 100-point stop rather. Excuse me. No, I'm not in a trade. It hasn't gave me an entry yet.
we hammered that.
All
I
right.
don't love this. What do you think, Grizzly? You got any
I
opinions
mean,
towards it?
we could try this pre-market high. We'd have to stop it. No, I like Asia high best. There's something about this pre-market high is telling me not to take it. Like
I'm watching.
if we took
I'm
went to
watching how we
Asia,
react down here.
yeah.
I'm watching. Nothing yet, guys. Still watching. I'm watching this price very carefully. It looks really heavy right now on the lower time frames. In the 1 minute, it looks very heavy. So no test,
Oh wow,
no
would have stopped
retest.
this out.
Would have an instant stop out.
Yep. Asia high 28,803. Everyone, that's the area I'm watching.
803. Yep, just waiting, guys. No longs, guys. Whenever I'm watching for example, what I was watching for, so you guys can understand, is that pre-market high. Say this, it was right here. Okay. When we're moving down, I want to see us move down here. I'm watching the 5 and the 1 minute at the same time. I want to see us come down and then see our buyers step in on the tape with volume, start pushing back up. Then you enter as price is moving in your direction. I don't like buying when price is just aggressively moving down. You guys will notice that about.
Okay. See what we get here, everyone. Let's see. 852. Yeah, I want to see lower. Lower. It's interesting here. I don't see the higher low entry though, because we broke through it, right? So the trend's not intact yet. So I can't go with the trend entry, but I could watch that orb entry around the Asia high. Volume's not increasing too much. We have 2 minutes left. The volume's not saying shorts yet. So still think the upside's intact as of right now, but we have to pull back to a key level for entry. Push on down to my entry. Good morning. Welcome in if I didn't. I missed your good morning in chat. All right. Is this going to be a high volume red candle? Got 1 minute to do it. Let's see. Ooh. If you bounce here, we are no longer friends in Q. Yes, it is, Hobbs. So close. Keep going. Jesus. Man, that looks like a good short entry, but See what Jay Dunn's saying. Hopefully he's talking about this trade.
It's boring strategy, and for the most part, boring life.
What
Minus a fun thing here and there.
What are you thinking, Jay Dunn? You looking for shorts? Or you gonna wait for a bounce?
Yeah. I'll look for shorts if we pop up.
907.
Yeah, like 910 ish to 940 maybe. I just hope we don't do what we did the other day and it's just 50% retracements, and then the candles are too big to get risk.
Yeah. We have to trade one MNQ if we have a 100-point stop.
Yep.
So close to my entry for shorts.
Man, got right almost to that 50% and then died.
All right, we're looking at my bounce area now, everyone, but this will be it.
We're getting close to that 15-minute high.
I'm not in yet. I'm watching.
Damn! I can't believe they did me like that. That's like, it's all right, guys. It's not Pokemon. Can't catch them all. Move on to the next one. Here's the thing, guys. You let FOMO or you let frustration flow through you. If you see a trade you like, Grizzly, please interrupt me.
I'm watching. It could be any minute, man. So
you hate this market. Well, hold on.
Let's see here.
Take a trade.
I'm watching like a hawk. All right, try a small piece along. Small piece along. If we close inside this 15-minute range, I'll be out. That's my game plan. Set your stop where you like if you have a certain point risk, but I tried some longs.
You got that 15-minute high retest, too.
All right. Trim. I'm trimming here. I'm scalping this in case we sell back off. My stop is right below the Asia high. And it got it that quick. I still like this trade. I'm going to try to get another entry.
This is where I like to see. I was going to say, if we can see a 5-minute higher, like solid higher low candle here, I'd actually be down to try longs too with stops below 777.
You never
777 for all the hippies out there. That like means something, right? Like some Richard and retrograde type deal, like I don't know, something. Hey, dudes with the hippie girlfriends, ask them what 777 means.
I've met quite a bit of hippies in my life.
What do you say?
I said I have met so many hippies in my life. I like them.
Colorado.
I can hang out. I can hang with
Colorado, bro. That's like the freaking hippie gathering point. I live like 30 minutes from Boulder, bro.
Oh, we had the proper RTR there.
There's no FOMO there. I mean, regardless, you shouldn't have FOMO. And I say that
our trim was perfect.
But I mean it, guys. You should never have FOMO. If you're trading a consistent, repeatable strategy, you should never have FOMO. And the reason that you shouldn't have FOMO is because if it worked once and you missed it, well, if it's consistent and it's repeatable and it's highly profitable.
Any questions? You don't never see. I know trades can be fast like that one was, right? Is the scalp, but I never plan on a scalp. I tried to trim at 1-to-1, right? And with luck on my side, I hope it just pushes up to my final price target. But after I trim, if it comes back down, I stop at my entry, and that would technically be considered a scalp. Okay, this Asia high looks good for shorts, but we're at VWAP. So what do we do, everyone? Tell me. Money mind easy. What are you done bad on, man? We're out of the trade. We got in, scalped out. I don't think longs are the move. I could be wrong. We'll see now. So this candle here and this one, I was a little hesitant with this candle, but this candle, pretty aggressive sell there. There's only 164, Danny. Interesting. 824. Whew. I'd like to catch the big move of the day. That's why I always aim for. It doesn't always work like that. I agree though. If we could get high volume here, beat these previous 4 or 5 volume bars, I would be down for longs. Could be another trade here soon, but I want to see what this
I'm
candle
watching
does.
for shorts. I just about there. Not quite, but just about. What are you watching for?
I want to see what this candle gives us on volume.
Come on.
Maybe like a
Nothing yet, guys.
920 short, possibly, unless this candle just gets
Not yet.
crazy
Not there
volume.
yet. We want to see us. We want to see us come. This is not what we want to see. We want to see us now make the slower high and push down. We get this push, aggressive push down. That's where I try the shorts. Otherwise, as we're moving up aggressively, I don't take them. We wait and we stay patient, guys.
That's unfortunate. It got me. I
Right
got
there
one
again.
trim and got me out of the trade.
Yeah, right there again is why
Right
I
here's
want to see
a
us
short
push.
entry spot, everyone. But I'm afraid to take it off this large green candle.
You want to see us push up, fail, and on the way back down, that's where you take the short. That's why I didn't take that. If you look at our 1 minute chart, it's just strictly up, 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 up. And when we're aggressively moving like that, I don't like to short into that momentum up. If I'm going to catch a lower high, I like to short as we push up. We take that liquidity, start pushing back down, and then you ride the wave back down. You don't want to be in front of that power.
57 seconds left on this candle.
This is those type of candles that prop firms love. You got Brett Simba and AJ feasting off these candles for everyone blowing themselves up.
That was a short entry up there if we was going to try it.
Not y'all, though. Not DOD traders. You guys don't. We trade discipline. No trades yet.
I got to lock in here. See.
You looking for a short entry?
I'm watching. This candle's going to be close on volume. If I take a trade, my stop will have to be at 952. The volume was less.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit this one out.
Yeah.
If you take it, good luck to you. I don't like that we made this potential higher low right here. They kind of did us dirty at this 50% retracement here. They gave us an enormous red candle down, and then boom, right back up.
All right.
Gonna get a reversal candle here.
Dang it. I doubted myself. I knew that was a short.
It's risky though.
I made most of my money. Riskiest stuff you ever seen. That's legal, of course.
Just waiting. I think we can find a banger today. It's just a matter of doing it. It's just a matter of doing it. We're finding it. As a reminder, everyone trading with us every day, I appreciate you guys making this a part of your daily routine. I know that there's a lot of different traders out there. There's a lot of different live streams, and the fact that you chose to be here and choose discipline and to further your trading journey today with us means a lot.
Lord.
Don't look at that short entry now.
I know.
I still think we can find a banger today. I got like another hour of trading.
Glad you stopped in, Corey. Appreciate it, man. Hope you're doing well. And that was it, everyone.
How do I sell parcels? I'm using Lucid. So if you have two
Should have just went with my trade there, everyone. That's on me. Al Capone, I'm glad you took them. I'm glad someone made money off that. No shorts. I'm not taking shorts. The move I was looking for already happened. So. Real quick, everyone, while I'm looking for an actual entry, um, we had one quick scalp earlier. So that was a winning trade. But if you want to get funded, you want to trade with us, don't want to risk your own capital, maybe you don't understand what prop firms are, how they work, go to grizzlytrades.com. If you don't understand, download the free ebook there. If you want to get funded, Tradeify, Take Profit, Apex, three of the best in the game. Check them out. Use code Grizzly. I appreciate it every time you use it. So, if you have any questions about funded accounts or Grizzology or trading in general, you can DM me on Instagram. It's the best place to reach me. And you can find a link to my Instagram in my website as well. I only have one Instagram, so don't get scammed by the fake Grizzlies. I guarantee there's a few in the live listening to us right now, so I will never DM you first or ask you for anything. That one's on me. This short, I know it hurts. It's made the move twice now, but we didn't get the original entry. And it's my fault. I doubted myself. At least we've had two winning trades, one yesterday and a scalp today. So when does the SpaceX IPO release? Is it? I know tomorrow, but is it like a certain time? I don't. I didn't go super heavy. Just so it's clear, I did. I got some. Put in for some shares. I'm leaving room to add if we do dip. But if we rip up, I'll be catch a piece of the action as well. So that's right, Corey. Tomorrow, what around noon? I'm excited to see it. I'm looking forward to just checking it out. When it drops, watching the price action. If I lose, I mean, if it sells off, I'll just hold my shares, add some more, sell some covered calls. I'm in no rush. Remember what the stock market is, everyone. You want me to get affiliated with Lucid? I don't know how to get affiliated with them. It doesn't. I looked into them because you all was telling me to, but it doesn't seem like they have it open now where you can. I Anyways, you know what the stock market is, right? How it works. It's a. How did Warren Buffett put it? Let me look for the exact quote so I don't butcher it. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So just remember that, okay? Let's see. It's crazy how much you realize as you get past the 30 mark. You, when you're in your 20s, I mean, there's some very intelligent 20-year-olds. I'm not hating. I'm not one of them guys that makes fun of people, messes with you because you're young or whatever. But once been in business for so long, you start realizing stuff and seeing stuff you never realized before. Basically, how it works, how you make big money. And the longer you stick around people that have that mindset, the more you'll understand. It took me a long time to begin to understand real estate, and I was just patient, kept learning. Now I'm ready to conquer it next. I thought I was ready at the beginning, but wasn't wasn't near ready. Pre-market high and fair value gap has dad strength up there. Thanks, Emma. That's true. And you can never throw the ball into the bleachers, Nick. You know what I mean? Mm. Appreciate the follow, Henry. Thanks for all the likes, TikTok. You are amazing. Not really high volume. It was higher than the previous one. Close, maybe two, but still lower. Relatively low, I would say. Nothing special that I can see here. Steady decline still. Forgot that moved with it. Roman. So you added Grizzology yesterday. No, if you added it through Walk Roman, just refresh. Did you follow the process, Roman, through the WAP to set up Grizzology? Should be under invite only, but if you're having issues, try it again, refresh, do it from desktop. It should be good to go. There's a video. Whenever you sign up for Grizzology, if you look in your support messages, it sends you the steps to set it up. Exactly. I don't know what it wants to do here. I don't have a good read. Maybe above pre-market high close, we could try longs, but I don't see anything telling me shorts are invalid yet. But it's not telling me to get into a position either. So coffee went down the wrong pipe. Ooh.
3, 4, 5 higher lows, 6 higher lows in a row as of now.
You said you're about to rip something?
I thought about shorts at 900, man. I was on the fence.
I think if we get a strong close above pre-market high, possibly some longs. But
Well, that was exactly where my stop was going to be.
yeah,
Was at pre-market high. So if we get that push above, I think it's very possible that we see more upside. I'm not taking it, guys.
it's a lot
It's
going
not
on here in
concrete
this
enough
little
for me.
area.
Like it, I don't love it.
The chop up until the SpaceX release, Jaden's favorite stock to own.
People keep asking me about it, bro. I'm like, I'm not buying it. Ask Grizzly. He's buying it.
I don't know. I mean, I'm not buying it because because of the valuation. I'm buying it because I want it. Conviction. I want to be a part of it. Plus, I want to make a bag. So if it rips up, I'll probably sell, then just get back in later. You can sell the IPOs, right? They frown upon it. Is that how it works? It's been so long since I messed with one. I think you can close you only can do it so many times, but that's how it long
Short could
term.
go. I just have this feeling, man. I don't like it. I don't love it. I do like it.
An 80-day lock period. I don't know. Hope it goes well for you, Nick.
The J-Done Think indicator gonna go? It might. Don't sleep on the J-Done Think indicator. Wall Street would love to buy that one. We're just chopping right here in this. I do think there's a very real possibility we could, if we can break these buyers, we can really push.
Just dropping back and forth between pre-market high and Asia high.
Bruh.
Come on, get out of there. Same thing yesterday though. We had that chop zone, then it made the move.
This candle doesn't look great though.
Lower
This
volume.
5 minute right here. You would have wanted to seen English J-Done. Higher volume.
Woulda, coulda, wanted.
I just realized there's no view off on my chart.
So Robinhood allows you to sell, but they restrict you from buying another IPO for 30 days. Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it. I think we're about to break to the downside, guys. Call me crazy. I think we are.
And it's going to bounce VWAP back up to pre-market high.
No. Don't. Unreal.
Low volume
Unreal
moves
seeing
down.
that, bro. I spooked myself out up there. I knew it was gonna reject, bro. I just my spidey senses.
It rejected like 4 times though, didn't it, in a row?
I knew it, dude. Screw the longs. All right, let's get a solid confirmation candle here. Well, congrats to everyone who took the Jadon Think indicator. I have made more on the Jadon Think indicator than the actual trades.
All right. You all can share the live still. I'm still around, trying to catch another trade for you all. If you're just joining, we caught one winning trade. Run up the likes, do something to waste some time here. What did I do when I was younger? You got any tip for a 22-year-old? Just invest every penny you can live without. That would be my best tip. Have an emergency fund in case things, which things always happen. Anyone that owns a home, property, whatever, they can attest. There's always some nonsense happening. You have to pay to fix. But emergency fund, invest every penny. No crazy high interest debt. That'd be my. And find free fun. Don't be one of the people that always have to be going spending money. I know some people say, oh, quality of life, Grizzly. But that's not quality of life. Building your home to a place you don't want to leave is quality of life. Free fun with the family. Save you a lot of money long term. It's my tip. Give back when you can. That's very important as well. Should have been first. Nice, Nick. So we push close to VWAP. Let's see if it does what I said. Push up pre-market high now. Your life, the way you live your life is about being content. And you're not, being content is not always something that comes naturally. You just have to be consistent with your lifestyle. A good lifestyle. Heading out, King. Catch you later, man. Ever think I'll retire from trading? I think when we do retire from day trading every day, I think we should really just focus on the bigger plays. We've done this together this long. We might as well finish it out together. We can sell options. We'll do some long term plays, swing trades, that kind of thing. So hopefully everyone's building up their cash, their working capital from day trading all these years. So we can do that. Yeah. Nick. I've traded with Jada for years. We do things a lot different now. We used to, but we both trade inside Team Bull on Zoom. All right, we finally got the VWAP actual. Well, did it touch it? Very close. What, like a point? Few points? I feel like we both have our weeks, where we do good, underperform. It's just I don't know if one of us is better, but it's just really hard to be profitable trading with someone if you don't lock in every day with them, though. That's the truth. I've lost. I've seen people quit trading and they was just stream hopping or Discord hopping, whatever you want to call it, taking everyone's trade. I mean, how you cannot be profitable doing that? There's no way. What if the time you're on their stream, is they take a losing trade, then you switch back, and I take losing trades, and you know, there's more money in building businesses than anything else. Building and scaling a successful business is the best return you'll ever get. I'll stick with that. I'd say day trading is a great way to fund. Day trading is a great way to get high income skill to get the money to actually be able to afford big investments to really grow your wealth. That's how I see it. Uh oh, Danny, do not trigger my DGen side. You know how I am with AMC and GME. So, from what I see here, everyone, we've done well. We took a trade scout. We did not chase. What is go away there? Uh, this was where was that entry? I was looking for a short entry here. I hesitated, did not take it. Then we chopped. Right, we made the move I was looking for. We chopped back and forth. We do not enter when that happens. Chop zone. Now we're breaking below. I wish point of control was above us or closer to VWAP because I'd like to break down, look for a VWAP short entry, kind of like the trade we caught yesterday. But we got to be very careful with this point of control because it could bounce very hard there. If anybody has Bookmap, one thing that could help us look and see what orders we have around point of control 686. That could, help us decide if we actually take the VWAP reject. Thanks, Ryan. Appreciate that insight, man. All right, we're at point of control. It hit it, bouncing very little. Does it fall through? Oh, it's going to bounce a little bit. It knows it's there at least. Appreciate everyone that used my code with Tradeify this morning. Y'all are crushing it as always. Volume's just not there yet, huh, on this candle. If you have any input here, let me know. We're approaching a possible trade area. We need to talk about that VWAP reject. Do we watch that or? It's going to be an anomaly. Got 2 minutes on this candle. See what happens. Does it close back above point of control? Do we make low a day, close below 15-minute range low, or low a day? Who does anyone use the straight to funded with Tradeify? TikTok, I'm talking to you all. I know a lot of people on the YouTube use it. Just get to skip the evals. Is it all right, everyone? We're getting some volume here. Looking good for us. It's gonna be a massive candle, but what can we do? You know. I wish they had codes I could give away for the Lightning funded, but I don't think they actually do that. Or I haven't asked, at least. I could see. They're just so expensive, you know. What candle? Is that some kind of candle I don't know about, or what? All right.
All right, guys, I'm watching the volume and the price here. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute chart, hourly, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly
Jesus.
charts all locked in.
You're just watching everything.
What?
700
We
entry, 760 stop.
I don't want to talk about it, bro.
Come on, push up before going.
You watching 700 entry too?
Is that what you're watching?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
Gene, I need you to go to Best Buy right now and buy 10 more screens. I can't not find a winning trade. You know what the problem here is though too with this potential short here at 700
Point of control.
is look what we're doing right now prior. We sweat 50-minute low and pre-market low, and if we get this push up, it's going to be a massive green candle up to this area up here. That's the only problem I see.
Yeah.
Good work though. I'll say.
Just going straight down.
You know what'd be a fun YouTube video is if I streamed one day. I put on the meta glasses and I do like first person. I'll put on some size that day too.
You like the glasses?
I have yeah, I like the glasses a lot. You guys like the glasses? I used to bring these out and catch bangers.
I'm watching here, everyone, trying to guess the entry. Hmm. That sounds so dumb, doesn't it, Honda? Hmm. Wow. How's this still negative? Let's see. Let's see. It's gonna have higher volume. Which way? Any or someone can tell me what the delta is on this? I know it's got a minute 20 left. But negative. Excuse me. Anything now on it? Is it still negative?
What do you think, Grizzly?
I tried some shorts at 90. If we get there, everyone 90s or 86 at least. Don't go sell off yet. Go back up for just a second. Oh no. The reason I'm waiting on the 90s are closer to 700 to risk the reward.
Turn on some Enter Sandman. This should give us a good trade. I'm gonna watch. Call me crazy, guys. I'm gonna watch the longs down here at 620. I'm gonna watch the longs down here for a retest and go. Call me crazy. I might be crazy. It might get cooked, but I'm gonna watch it.
All right. I want short so bad. The candle had negative delta, the green candle.
Really?
Yeah, it's negative. The sellers were still in control. I don't
I'm still
know.
watching. Call me crazy. I'm still gonna watch it for that retest down. Call me crazy. Might be crazy.
Maybe the buyer's getting control on this candle.
Don't you dare bounce right before the 50% retracement.
It went to
Don't
what?
you dare do it.
Pre-market low?
I was watching for 620 area for bounce. Yep, for longs. Looks like we're gonna get it right before.
Messing with me. Give me an entry.
Yeah, we're bouncing that 15-minute low too. That 15-minute low is at 650. That's where we're bouncing. Man. Let's see.
What's going on with it?
Just wanted to see a little bit more retracement down here.
If this misses my order one more time. All right. Am I going to try it?
Telling you guys. What do you say, Grizzly?
It failed me. It failed me. I tried some. There we go.
You're in shorts?
Yeah, maybe a mistake, but I got filled at 707. My stop is right above this candle.
I'm still waiting, everybody.
707. It's pretty strong going up here, so. Yeah.
See this 5-minute whenever I see a 5-minute candle at a key level like this, I want to see us push down into this retracement and then move up. Didn't quite get it. But you guys get the point of what I was looking for.
Yeah, it was so close to my stop there. 707 is my average. I did not add. I'm not crazy about it if this volume doesn't die down.
Am I in SpaceX? Yeah. I am SpaceX.
Loves it.
That's me.
I don't really like this setup now. This volume starting to make me want to get out. And let it play out at this point, though.
I am a SpaceX. Nope, I changed my mind. I just got they just gave me 20,000 shares pre-IPO.
It'd be nice.
I'm actually the new spokesperson for SpaceX. Are you still in this trade, Grizzly?
I'm still in, man. If it goes any higher than it did, I'll be stopped though. Yeah. Any higher, I'm still in. I'm just holding here. The trade's invalid and is valid until we break above that previous candle or close above VWAP, which are very close together. So I like that. I'm not crazy about the volume though. So.
J Dunn, who? I'm starting to feel the FOMO. No need for FOMO, bro. We've seen moves up and down. There's no need to have FOMO.
I'm gonna
set up to there today.
Team Bull, my stop is where it is. If you don't hear me, I will stop out if we make a new high. So it's clear. I don't want anyone holding for hope. That's my stop up there. That previous candle had positive delta. I don't like that at all.
No need to have FOMO, guys. We're going to get more good setups. If you miss a setup and it's high probability, that means it's going to come again. And guess what? If the setup doesn't ever come again, it wasn't a good setup from the start.
Jesus, man. Trader bait moving weird again right now, but I'm holding. Stop me. I'm out. I tried another one. Tried my best to catch us the entry here. It may continue on down if you're stopping me out. It may do the same thing it did the other day. How many points is that? Flat. Flat, flat, flat. This does it to me again. I'm telling you. I come in next week, I'm doing 100-point stop loss. Yeah, stop me out. One winner, one loser today. Should have just stopped with that first winner, I guess, but I was doing my best to give us the move of the day. All right. I guess everyone's waiting on some take profit accounts, huh? Everyone's waiting on. I do have some 150K take profits. I may give one or two away here. Who uses, first off, who uses code Grizzly? You don't have to use code Grizzly to get the free account. I just want to know real quick. I'm going to give Corey one. Corey, DM me on IG, man. Not, wait, there's more. Let me specify the Corey I'm talking about. There's two. It was the first one. Where'd it go? The Corey with the shorter one. The shorter name, not Corey with the S at the end. The other one. What? Let's see here, TikTok. I'm gonna pick someone over here. San Jose Barber. You can have one. You have to DM me your Tradeify, or sorry, not Tradeify, Take Profit email. It has to be linked to your Take Profit account. I have to have the email. So DM me that. Then I have to email them. It's a whole process. So expect it in the day, tomorrow morning sometime. That's all I'm giving away right now, too. I gave away one early on. Um, but see y'all back in the morning. I tried to give you all a nice trade there, but it just didn't work out. If you're flat on the day, you did well, in my opinion. Yeah, that's right.